So this is our project. Hardworking man back there goes all the way from the bathrooms to the front of the house. Let me back up. I don't want you to miss anything. And there's our Christmas tree, which still makes it. He's doing 2 lines to the master bath and the guest bathroom. We got some nice piles of grass. This is Ground Zero, Rancho Cordova, Dunbar Way. And they had to take and run the line, which is not in yet, down here. This is the county line down here underneath that plywood. That's the driveway county line there. Then it goes up this way, and that's back to the bathrooms. Then it comes over here on this side of the dirt piles. And then here's some concrete, and if anybody wants some, I'll give it to you free. And then it comes down this way. And then now we go back here. And this is where the water hose broke. And I left it on overnight. So now we've got a great big ditch going this way. And this one goes all the way back here. And then that one goes over to the kitchen sink where the damage started. And then we'll go back and I'll show you the garage. And now we come over here, and there's my beautiful wife, girlfriend. And then all this here needs to come out here and go into there. So what I did was, the dishwasher won't work in the kitchen because this is where the pipe busted. And you got to dig a hole underneath there, and the dishwasher goes there. But unfortunately, we can't use this sink at all. We had to set up dishwashers. So we now have the dishwashers now out here, and we will hook the dishwashers already hooked up out here. Now, to make sure that I can still call myself the float master, we'll go to the house. And since the dishwasher is in the laundry room, that means the washing machine is now out here. And in order to make sure we have hot and cold running water, I happen to run a hose all the way to a spigot on the other side of the air conditioner, which is hot water. And then I have a 30 amp circuit. It's right there. So that's for the washer. And then my cold water is right there. And that is what used to be the float area building, and now that is of no use anymore. So anyway, I don't mind comments, yes or no, bad, good, happy, sad. Let me know. Bye.